Hello everyone. In this class we are going to see functions of tuples. Comparing to strings and lists, we are having very less functions in the tuples. Len of, which is common to any sequence which gives the length of the given sequence. So even tuple also it does the same job. When I give a tuple which is called days here, and then I have mentioned 3 letters of days. Len of days will return 7 here as 7 elements are in this tuple. Next I am having index of tuple dot index of the element, the value we give, it will be returning the index number of that particular element which it occurs at the first time in the tuple. In case more than once it is repeated, it will take only the first one. Days dot index of thu I have given. So index number starts from 0, thu is 4. Next we are having count of, it gives the occurrence of argument, that how many times it repeats, or we can also say it is nothing but a frequency. Here just to understand, I have made one small change in the previous tuple. I made that Saturday to Sunday again. So there are 2 times available. I have given same thing into the example, days dot count of sun, it will return 2. Next one, we are having sorted of tuple. It returns the sorted list. It is not going to be a tuple because tuple is immutable, and then we also know that sorted always returns. It does not change the original sequence. Sorted of days, sorted list we get. In case we need that in descending order to be sorted, we can also give reverse is equal to true. So sorted of days, comma reverse is equal to true. Remember, true is a keyword, then that is a boolean literal. So it is in reverse order, that is in descending order. We can also have the aggregate functions, that is sum, minimum and maximum. If integers or any number types are there, then only it will give the sum. Otherwise, if it is mixed or it is only string, and then it is going to return the error. I have given tens is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Sum of tens. So the sum here is 150, it is returning that. MAX will return the maximum value, that is 50 here, it returns that. Similar way, min will return minimum value which is 10. At last we are having a tuple of function which converts any other sequence into a tuple. For example, I have a list here, day li. See there, it is a list, it is not a tuple. Now I give tuple of day li, it returns a tuple. If string is there, then you are changing into tuple. Each element, that is each character will become one element, and then it returns a tuple. Let us execute everything on this ideally. Let me create a tuple called material, or MAT, pen, paper, pencil, marker, cutter. So first one, if I want to get the length of this, len of MAT, it gives 5 as there are 5 elements. If I want to know the index number of particular element, I will be giving MAT dot index of the argument inside the bracket. I say pencil here. So I get the index number. In case there are 2 similar things, it will give only the first one. Let us even check that. I give one more paper in between. Now mat dot index of paper I give. Okay, paper is available in the index number 1, so it is going to show that only, not the next one. Now let me use the count of MAT dot count of. This will be giving the frequency. There are 2 times paper, so I am giving it to get the result. So it is 2. Now let us execute sorted off MAT. So you could see that it is a list, and then C is the first one, and then M. So 2 times it is available, paper, pen and pencil. If I need that to be sorted in descending order, I can give sorted off MAT, comma, reverse is equal to true. So it is in reverse order, that is in descending order. If all are strings, it will be getting sorted according to lexicographical method. In case numbers, if I say NOS equal to 650 minus 4, 85, 200, 1. So now I say sorted off NOS. So it is according to the value. In case we need in reverse order, we can give again sorted NOS with reverse is equal to true. Right. So in case we are having strings as well, the numbers, I just make some changes. I make it as temp, and then I remove some of this. From here I remove it, and then I also use some numbers in between, 40, 35. So here let me give 50 minus 200. So sorted off temp. So this will be giving you an error message. Now let us see the aggregate functions. Numbers are with purely numbers, so I will be giving sum of NOS. So it is 338. You can check it. Max of NOS. So here 200. Min of NOS. It is minus. So in this aggregate function, what happens if it is only strings? So strings we are having in MAT, right? I give max of MAT. Lexicographically it will check which is the highest one and then returns. So pencil is the highest one. It will be comparing according to the ASCII value. Min of MAT. We cannot have the sum of this, it will give error. Now let me have the string name is equal to, I am just giving any name, Vijay Raghavan. Now I make this as tuple. Okay, so tuple of name will return the tuple having each character as one element there. In case if I have a list, for example, NOS equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I change it to a tuple, or I can also put in another variable, num is equal to tuple of NOS. Sorry, I need to give tuple num is equal to tuple of NOS. So now if I give num, we will get a tuple. Hope the concepts are very clear to you. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.